Hello, listeners. Welcome to our English learning podcast today. We are going to practice ordering food in English. Imagine you are standing outside a beautiful small cafe. You walk inside because you want to have dinner. A polite waitress approaches you with a big smile. Good evening. Do you have a table for two? I did not make a reservation for tonight. Sorry. Is there a free table near the window, please? Please follow me to your table in the corner. This table is perfect because it is very quiet. Here are your menus for tonight. Enjoy your evening. Thank you very much. We need some time to look. Can we sit outside on the terrace instead, please? The weather is beautiful and warm tonight, you see. Of course, you can take that free table outside. This outside table is actually much better than inside. I will bring you the menus in one moment. Take your time to choose your food and drinks. We are ready to look at the food choices. The restaurant looks very clean and the music is nice. I am happy that we chose this beautiful place. Let's sit down and read the big menu. There are many interesting dishes on this white paper. I like eating fish when I visit new restaurants. They have many different salads on the first page. The prices in this cafe look very reasonable today. I hope the waiter comes back to us soon. I am starting to feel really hungry after walking. Let us decide what we want to eat first. The waitress is coming back to our table again. Are you ready to order some drinks for tonight? Yes, I would like a glass of cold water. Can I have some ice and lemon in it? My friend wants a bottle of sweet apple juice. Do you have warm green tea with fresh mint? We only have black tea and hot sweet coffee. In that case, please bring me a black coffee. Would you like some milk with your hot coffee? Yes, please send a small cup of cold milk. I will bring your fresh drinks in 2 minutes. Would you like to order any appetizers right away? What do you recommend for a light starting dish? Our homemade garlic bread is very popular with guests. That sounds delicious. We want 1 plate of that. Can we also get a small bowl of olives? We have green olives and black olives from Greece. Please bring a mix of both types of olives. Is the tomato soup good for a starter today? Yes, the tomato soup is very fresh and tasty. I will take 1 bowl of tomato soup, please. Please do not put any onions in my soup. I understand your request. No onions for your dish. Your drinks and appetizers will be ready very fast. Thank you. We're looking forward to our food. The service in this modern restaurant is very quick. Here is your cold water and your apple juice. Be careful because the garlic bread is very hot. This soup smells amazing and looks very delicious too. Let us taste the warm garlic bread right away. Everything tastes wonderful and we enjoy our small starters. I am back to take your main course order. What is the special dish of the day today? Today we have grilled salmon with fresh green vegetables. That sounds great. I will have the grilled salmon. Does the salmon dish come with rice or potatoes? It comes with baked potatoes and a small salad. Can I have rice instead of the baked potatoes? Yes, that is easy to change for your order. What would your friend like to eat for dinner? My friend wants the big Italian pasta with cheese. Does the pasta contain any meat or chicken pieces? No, the Italian pasta is a completely vegetarian dish. That is perfect because my friend does not eat meat. Would you like to try our special chicken pizza? The chicken pizza is very big and has mushrooms. No chicken pizza today. The salmon is enough for me. How would you like your steak cooked this evening? I prefer my beef steak to be medium rare. Please bring some extra spicy sauce on the side. I will write down all these specific details now. Let me repeat your main dishes to be sure. one grilled salmon with rice, and one vegetarian pasta. Is that everything you want to eat for dinner? Yes, that is exactly what we want to eat. The chef will prepare your hot food right away. It will take about 20 minutes to cook everything. That is fine. We can talk and enjoy drinks. I am very excited to try the grilled salmon. My friend loves Italian pasta with a lot of cheese. We are having a wonderful time at this restaurant. Excuse me, could we please get some more napkins? I accidentally dropped my clean fork on the floor. I will bring you a new clean fork immediately. Here are 5 extra white napkins for your table. Is everything okay with your main dishes so far? The salmon is delicious, but it needs more salt. Can you bring the salt and pepper shakers, please? They are right there on the small wooden shelf. Oh, I see them. Thank you for your help. My friend needs another glass of sweet apple juice. Should I bring a large bottle or a glass? A regular glass of apple juice is perfectly fine. Is it possible to get some extra Parmesan cheese? My friend wants more cheese for the Italian pasta. I will bring a small bowl of grated cheese. Thank you. You are a very kind waiter tonight. Are you enjoying the warm terrace and the atmosphere? Yes, the view of the street is very beautiful. This restaurant is a very pleasant place for dinner. Here is your extra cheese and the apple juice. Please enjoy the rest of your delicious dinner tonight. Can we get some more white bread, please? The bread is free, and I will get it. We're eating a lot of food tonight, wow. The portions in this cafe are very big indeed. I am getting quite full from this large salmon. My friend is almost finished with the cheesy pasta. We are having a great conversation during our meal. Let us finish our drinks before the waiter returns. The service tonight is truly excellent and very friendly. Have you finished your main courses for tonight, ladies? Yes, we are finished. You can take the plates. Would you like to see our sweet dessert menu? I am quite full, but I love sweet things. What traditional desserts do you serve in this cafe? We have fresh chocolate cake and warm apple pie. The chocolate cake comes with vanilla ice cream vanilla. That sounds absolutely amazing. I want the chocolate cake. Please bring 1 piece of cake with 2 spoons. We want to share this delicious dessert together tonight. My friend wants to try the warm apple pie. Does the apple pie have any nuts inside it? No. Our traditional apple pie is completely nut-free. That is good because my friend has an allergy. Would you like any hot drinks with your dessert? I would like a cup of hot espresso, please. Please bring a glass of warm milk with espresso. My friend prefers a cup of aromatic chamomile tea. I will prepare your sweet desserts and hot drinks. The chocolate cake here is famous in this city. I am happy we decided to order some dessert. Sharing 1 big cake is a very good idea. Here is your hot espresso and the chamomile tea. This chocolate cake looks like a beautiful piece of art. The vanilla ice cream is starting to melt slowly. The warm apple pie smells like sweet autumn cinnamon. This is the best dessert I have ever tasted. We are enjoying this sweet moment of our dinner. The hot espresso is strong but very high quality. This dinner was a great experience for both of us. Excuse me, we are ready to pay the bill. Can you bring us the check, please, sir? Did you enjoy everything at our restaurant tonight, ladies? Yes, the food was absolutely delicious and very fresh. I will bring the total bill to your table. Are you paying together or separately for your dinner? We want to split the bill in 2 parts. Can we pay for our dinner with a card? Yes, we accept all major credit cards and cash. I will bring the electronic card machine to you. Here is the detailed bill for your dinner tonight. Please check if everything on the paper is correct. The total amount seems exactly right. Thank you very much. I will pay for the salmon and my coffee. My friend will pay for the pasta and tea. Please insert your plastic credit card into the machine. Enter your secret 4-digit PIN code right here. The wireless machine is processing your payment code safely. Here is your paper receipt from the card machine. We want to leave a cash tip for you. You were an excellent waiter and very polite today. Thank you so much for your generous cash tip. It was a pleasure serving you at our restaurant. We will definitely come back to this cafe again. I will recommend this amazing place to my family. Have a wonderful rest of your evening in town. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great night too. Let us take our jackets and walk outside into town. That was a great English practice session for us. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for listening to our podcast.
Leave a comment under this video and one of you will get 40 English lessons for free.